How good are roast potatoes? And at the moment, I'm loving to roast Kipfler potatoes. They're beautiful and waxy and they roast up really well. But I'm going to give these potatoes some extra love with a smoked paprika blend. This also has some onion through it and some chives. And to make these potatoes extra crispy, it also has some polenta in it. That is what makes this super special. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon or so. And get your hands in there and give everything a really good toss. So each potato is coated. There's some salt in the blend too, so we don't need to add extra salt. These go into the oven, 180 degrees, and they're going to cook for about 35 to 40 minutes until they're super tender. In the meantime, I'm just going to prepare some capsicum to turn this into a warm potato salad. Potatoes have come out of the oven, they smell so good. And look at that crispy coating. Fantastic as is, but even better served as this warm salad. So some roasted peppers that I've just finely sliced. This is some creme fraiche, you could also use sour cream. I'm going to add a splash of sherry vinegar. This is a bit of a Spanish-inspired dish. Some salt. And we can pour this into our bowl with the capsicum and our warm potatoes. We're going to toss all of this together. So you want a nice generous bowl of this. Great. Just with a fork and a spoon, toss everything together and coat the potatoes in that creamy, vinegary dressing. And just for a pop of freshness, I like to garnish this beautiful side dish with a few sprigs of parsley. You can chop it if you like, but I kind of like it just to drop over the top. That is definitely an unorthodox potato salad, but with that spice blend, it's made extra tasty.